So, January 1st, I decided to fund a Moomoo account with $100 to prove to you, it's not about how much money you have in your account when trying to grow an account. It all comes down to the strategy and the approach. So, we've done a $100 swing trading challenge. In today's video, we're going to be doing an update on this challenge and seeing how much money we made or how much money we lost. So, I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and how I find these stocks and opportunity, my entries, exits, my strategies, everything, check out our school. And you guys can get 51% off by using code challenge. Only one spot left for that code. So make sure you guys use that link, sign up. It's like a college class. It's like an 8-week course. We have private live streams, quizzes, there's a final exam, all that good stuff. So if you want to elevate your trading, check it out down below. And guys, let's jump into this. So, all right, how much money did we make? So right now our total account balance is sitting near and around $112, which is actually really, really good. This past week here, we did make about 8% or so, which is nice. One of the things here that a lot of people get mixed up on is they always expect me and other traders to turn $100 into like $1 million, right? It's like this thing online that traders do, and reality is if you profit 3%, only 3% per month, you are a better trader than 95% of all traders. So if you're watching this and you're maybe taking small profits, that's completely fine. If you have $100 in your account and you're making $1 a day, the only thing that's separating you from making more money is just your account size. So the great thing about trading is the profits you make compound and it will grow it larger and larger and larger, because the profits you make today can be used as leverage tomorrow. So, let's turn to the computer and see the trade we took here. So, all right. So this past week here, we did take one trade. Especially with growing a small account, I kind of go a little riskier than like normal. But you still want to always ensure quality because you don't want to burn through an account. So it's like this weird combination of, okay, I need to have a little bit of a higher risk stock that offers a higher reward if I'm trying to grow this faster. But on the flip side, some profit is better than no profit. So this is the stock here that we took, and this is RYAN. RYAN here, the reason I love it is it has this nice upward trend. Trends, in my opinion, are probably one of the most underutilized things traders don't look at. They'll expect a stock on like a downward trend to magically recover and break out. I've seen a trader, see a stock go from $25 all the way to like 25 cents, and they bought like $5,000 worth of stock at 25 cents. And the thought process, which makes sense, they go, okay, well, Carter, I'm going to buy it at 25 cents. What's the worst that can happen? If anything, it can go up to $1 or even 50 cents, and I just doubled my money. Well, what you don't realize is a stock can also go to zero. A stock can also go to a penny, right? So that's kind of what happened, is that stock actually continued to sell off all the way down to like 6 or 7 cents and just kind of stayed there and never recovered. So, make sure you look at trends. So with this one here, we have this great upward trend. The next thing I look at is I want to know if there's support. So, I always use moving average lines. So I'll use the 50, the 90, and the 200. With this stock hitting that 200-day moving average line, this could be a huge support for the stock. So that's kind of where we got notified. The next thing that I look at is something called the RSI. The RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index. It pretty much tracks momentum. And the last time I was trading for, a 21, which is what it was trading for, was back in here. And what happened? The stock went from $35 to about $42 in about a month span. So now we just hope that the stock can get some buying pressure. But you don't want to get in on a dip and just have it continue to sell off. So what can you do? You can look at something called confirmation. So that's kind of what we did here. So now with the stock selling off, forming this trend line, you guys will see that it did break out. And this is exactly where we got in. was right here. Okay, getting in right in this spot, setting our stop loss just below this. And guys, this is why I absolutely love Moomoo, is because they offer this tool. So if you guys want to sign up, you guys can get up to 20 free stock just by signing up. So click that link and sign up. So, all right, we're setting our target back to a realistic zone, which is that resistance. And we're going to keep our stop loss near and around 3% or so, which gives a risk and reward of about 6 to 1, almost 7 to 1. And let me show you why that's very important, because you can kind of plan out your future trades here a little bit. So we're starting out with that $100 balance. If we could find a stock like this once a week, risking that 3% with the 6 to 1 risk and reward. Now, right now, our win rate is like 92%, but honestly, that's be a little more realistic, because sometimes you can catch like hot waves where you do really, really well, and then you can catch like a bad wave and you do really, really bad. So honestly, that's just kind of take a step back and go 50%. Okay. So with a $100 account, finding one stock like this per week, risk and reward of 6 to 1. By the end of the year, we could have about $3,300. Okay. And obviously, not every stock's going to be a 6 to 1. We'll trade 3 to 1 stocks, right? Which it really, really reduces it. But in general, you guys can see that anything over a 3 to 1 will really compound your account a lot faster. So now here we just have to see if we can get this stock to squeeze up and hit that resistance level. Now, if it doesn't, that's completely fine. It's completely fine. We're going to keep our stop loss right near and below like the $65 mark. So if it does dip down below it, we will just take our profit and move on to other opportunity. And I really think it's going to use that 50-day moving average line as some support like it's seeing. Next zone would be for it to break over $70. So guys, hope you guys all enjoyed it. Right now we're up pretty well this past couple of weeks here. We've been trading for about 2 weeks with this account, and we're profitable, and that's exactly what we need. So, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys want to learn more about swing trading, check out our school, Code Challenge, which is one of the largest sales we've done. So click that link, sign up. I'll see you guys in there, and I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Take care.